Hey, good afternoon. George Cavaligos for Naked Trader. A little bit earlier than usual today, but we're seeing a lot of interesting things. Equities were weaker overnight. We've seen treasuries a little bit higher here this morning. It's not a lot of volume going through today. It's well, 1 million right now with about an hour to go. That's not bad, but it's not great for a market that's making new highs, I think. But you know, we pointed out an email this morning. We thought we'd see at least a test of the old highs and probably higher highs. I thought maybe we'd be able to throw up the one tick higher high or some kind of higher high and then a reversal. But equities are continuing weak. They tried to rally a couple times this morning, never were able to get much going. They're making new lows for this down move right now. S&Ps are only down 6. NASDAQ's down a lot more. And I think as long as equities are weak here, it's going to keep a bid under the treasury market. I think we'll be able to trade, back and forth a little bit within this trade with always a quick eye on the exit up here. Again, yesterday we saw the market go up and make a higher high in the 10 years for the day. Open interest fell again. Over the last couple weeks, we continue to see some pretty big put buying going on too. I'm not sure what the put buying is related to. There's some thought that it might be mortgage hedging. I'm not sure, but we'll keep an eye on things, and we always want to have a good quick eye on an exit up here. But we're bumping up the highs right now, 123.30. We're right below, I think Tony pointed this out a couple days ago. There's a big cluster from back in the middle of last November where the market had bounced around these 124.01, 124.10 area. There's a bunch of important highs and lows in there. So I think that's going to kind of slow things down again, even though this rally hasn't been, anything to write home about or that exciting. But we got to keep an eye on this 124.01, 124.10 level. No news really. Beige book's coming out. I shouldn't say no news really. We'll take a look at the beige book headlines here in a minute. But I just wanted to say that we're watching equities. That's the main driver here. I think we're going to go a little bit higher here again. We'll probably test that 124.01, 124.10 area. And again, we're always on our toes, looking for reversals. We'll try to throw them up in the chat if we can be on our toes and prompt enough. And I'll try to get an email out as soon as I can. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow morning.